So the title of my project is Recording and Comparing Phosphates, Nitrates and Fecal coliform limits from land runoff after heavy rainfall and the timetable for these pollutants to disperse. It's based on the principles of here in Falmouth and a runoff outlet on Falmouth High Street. This will directly running from November 10th, 2014 to December 1st, 2014. This is the overview of what I'm going to be showing today. These are the two locations that I'm going to be doing out of this. Further here and that's further down from the high street shown on Google Maps. There and there. Both outlet points for fresh water runoff all around Falmouth. Obviously, also I was looking for a map but couldn't see one of the incline of Falmouth. So there's a massive incline, as you obviously all know, around this area, so it's going to have quite an impact on what's also spoke about in the documents there. It's my hypothesis, an alternative hypothesis, stating that I believe that there is a direct and measurable correlation between the duration of rainfall in Falmouth at locations A and B and the amount of time it takes to disperse pollutants of phosphates and nitrates and fecal coliforms from land runoff. The alternative is that I believe there is no correlation between heavy rainfall and the time given for the pollutants to disperse after the runoff. This is my schedule of operations. So as long as I get the go-ahead from the owner, then I'm going to start taking water samples till 1st of December. I'm going to be taking the water quality test directly after, hopefully within the 24 hours is the main end of each sample collected. Then a public survey is going to run from December to the end of January, where I aim to speak to 100 residents of Falmouth about any issues that has possibly been brought to light through the test's findings. Research is currently going on and still will be going on for comparison, and I hope the first draft will be done by the 7th of February and my final draft will be done by the 1st of March. The three main objectives of the project are to see a correlation between rainfall and the pollution dispersal, to gather information on baffling water out of season, and to gather information on the possible influence to Gillingham and Swanspool beach by both staying as baffling water areas by the materials I'm going to need are 1.5 litre sample bottles to take 1 litre samples, but with enough space to keep the sample mixed. They need to be non-reactive as well to anything that I'm going to be collecting. Protective gloves, just in case I'm working with something harmful. A Lang spectrometer for phosphate and nitrates, and a fecal coliform testing kit. It's the only piece of kit we don't have, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to get funding from Marine School and we'll be able to use some of the kit that the EA has locally. These are the key references that we plan to be using at the moment. They're all printed off in that document there, and I think mentioned on the moving page as well. The main one I'm going to compare to is the impact of rainfall and fecal coliform bacteria in the North Louisiana. It's quite a similar project. The associated external bodies that I'm looking to hopefully work with or get data off are the Environmental Agency, the South West Water, Surface Against Sewage, and the Beauty Cleaner Seas project, what are all quite heavily linked with baffling water. Methodology can be broken down into 4 key points. The first one is collecting the samples, as I said, with the non-reactive bottles within the top 2 feet of the water within an hour of continuous rainfall, and then every 6 hours after that for 24 hours. I will also be collecting a comparative sample before rainfall, so to make sure that the rainfall is the reason that they're like this. The sample testing will ideally be done an hour after collection. If this isn't possible for the Marine School not being open or it's too late, then I will be within the 12 hours of sample collecting, and they will be kept in a cool down place to hopefully try not to alter anything of the sample. This will be done with a Lang spectrometer and a kit either bought in or used by the EA. I'll then go into a comparison where I look at the trying to show data of each of the samples and see if there is any main differences and compare them to the comparative sample I've got before and other papers. I will then do the survey for 100 people in Falmouth to address any possible issues. My ethical review is nice. I don't believe I need one, so I think that's quite good. Quite simple. Why was I on do this? MP, ex-MP, actually, Richard Bennett, who stated that in 2012 when we had the heavy rainfall, a number of the baffling water beaches failed or normally pass. This was possibly, the heavy rainfall possibly due to climate change, so we're going to get more of this rainfall, then more baffling water is going to be bad. Also, baffling water's restrictions are going up next year, so it's going to be even harder to get the passing levels that we're getting at the moment. Met Office. So I also highlighted the kind of rainfall we had in 2012 and gave a clue that this will be a more recurring thing. May 15th to September 30th is the bathing season, and there's no samples of water quality taken outside of these dates, so we have no idea of how bad or good this water will be, or the quality of it, I should say. So it would be good to get a sample collected in November, was also the time in 2012 that was heavy rainfall, to see if it is terrible. Tourism is obviously a big link and a big path. I mean, yeah, the summer's over and stuff, but a lot of surfers and stuff are still there, and links with the these are the 4 places that failed in 2012, probably due to the rainfall. There's a given basis one more currently, so you can't see that. And my contingency plan is to complete a report on current coastal defence systems in Cornwall, and undergo a number of reviews of data to try and answer: is climate change the cause of extreme weather last year? Are our coastal defences working with the coastal building to maintain them? And should some coastal defences be removed and nature allowed to retake the land? And that's it.